Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Sneak It Up. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to authenticate the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 taillights. So let's get right into it. So we're going to start our authentication process by verifying if the box is legit or not. You want to start this by scanning the barcode on the size tag. You can scan the barcode using either the Google Lens app or the Legit Check app. And when you scan it, what you want to look for is multiple different websites like Stadium Goods, StockX, eBay, and they should all show you this exact sneaker in this exact colorway, this exact size. Now some random barcode generator website comes up, that means that the box is fake. Now it's important to understand that there are two different versions of the Adidas Yeezys. One is the US version and the second is the international version. Now the difference is on the US version the size tag has 3 different countries, and on the international version the size tag has 6 different countries. So what you want to look for is, if you have the US size tag, make sure that your serial code is V02 or V03. But if you have the international ones, make sure that your serial number is V10. Okay, so the first thing that you want to look at is the size tag on the right sneaker. So what I like to look at first is I compare the number underneath the barcode on the size tag on the sneaker and the size tag on the box, and the PO hashtag number on both the size tags, and I'm just looking for any inconsistencies that I can find. So you want to make sure that the numbers match up on the size tag and on the size tag on the box. Now another thing that you can do is you can even scan the barcode on the size tag on the sneaker, and again you want to make sure that you get the same exact results. Now the second thing we want to see is if this StockX verified tag is legit or not. Well, the first thing that you want to do is look at the StockX coin, look for any inconsistencies, closely inspect the tag, look for excessive damage, if the paint is removed too much, look at the logo on the coin, make sure it's like the actual StockX logo, then flip it around, and same thing goes for the text on the outside, because the thing is that even the letters on these have a thin coat of paint, so they do get worn off but they don't suffer excessive damage. The most important part of the StockX coin is the QR code on the back. So how do you know if the QR code is legit? You can scan this easily with your iPhone camera, and what you're actually looking for is a 1802 type number. If the StockX website pops up, then you know it's fake. Now you might be wondering that that's counterintuitive, right? If StockX is making it, it should take you to the StockX website. Well, actually this QR code, it's an internal company code which, well, if you don't work for StockX, you cannot access it. That's why when you scan it, you should get a 1802 type number, which means that this coin is legit. So the first thing that I like to look at are the striped circles right at the bottom of the Boost midsole. Now on authentic pairs, what I've noticed is that firstly the lines are very defined, so when you touch them you can properly feel them. Secondly, they're very random, so not all 3 lines are parallel, and they're randomly dispersed throughout the Boost midsole. So if you see them very consistently laid throughout the bottom, that probably means that they're fake. Another thing that I like to look at is the lacing. Well, on the left sneaker, when it's facing you, you'll notice that the left lace goes over the right lace on the first one, and on the right sneaker it's the opposite. The right lace goes over the left lace. Then another thing I've noticed in a lot of fakes is that the toe box seems to usually be very overinflated. For example, it sort of looks like this, but the toe box is coming up, whereas on legit pairs, if you look, that it's a very consistently thin toe box throughout, and then it arches up into the tongue. Then another couple of things that I like to look at are just minor inconsistencies throughout the sneaker. For example, I'd look at the text on the size tag inside the sneaker to see if any letters are either thicker or thinner than the other letters, or if there's any other inconsistencies. I also look at the stitching on the front and the back of the upper of the sneaker to see if the stitching is too loose or if it's off in some place. But you have to remember that Adidas recently haven't shown the best quality control, so these aren't always the best indicator on whether you have a legit pair or not. So thank you so much for watching, guys. This was just a small little look into how we authenticate the sneakers ourselves. And the thing is that we get our sneakers only from StockX or GOAT, so they already come to us verified, and then we like to authenticate them a second time ourselves to make sure that the pairs that you guys are winning are 100% authentic. Thank you guys for watching, and get ready to sneak it up.